sit somewhere where it's quiet around you, where you won't be disturbed for just a short time. And maybe if you have headphones, you can listen this with headphones. Once you're seated, just relax for a moment and take a few breaths here. And maybe exhaling out through the mouth. A few more like that. Inhale. Just two more like that. Inhale. And out. Again, last one. Exhale out. Make sure to exhale everything gradually, steady, long out. And then just come back to what's normal breathing for you. And repeat to yourself. Just for today, I am at peace with myself and everyone around me. I know I am safe. I am protected by a beautiful, beautiful shield of a golden color. This shield was made for me by my protective angels, my guardian angels, who are here always for me, to support me, love me, and protect me. I know this shield, it's gonna bounce all the anger, all the stress, and trouble away from me today. I know I am safe, and I know my day will have no obstacles. My path is clear, and therefore I'm sending love to my colleagues. I'm sending love to everyone around me, including myself. I'm sending love to my neighbors. I'm sending love to all the people that I will encounter today, and show compassion, show understanding. We are at peace with each other. Everything is calm. Around me. I'm inhaling again peace and love and quiet mind. Exhaling out all the worries, all the anger and stress out. Every time when I am about to get upset, I will just take a deep breath in and remember that my beautiful golden color shield, it's around me. It's protecting me. It's here for me to bounce all the troubles away from me. Breathing in again and out. You're feeling more calm and ready for your day, ready to continue your day. Knowing that this is your safe space, knowing that you can always come back to this short breathing meditation exercise. Repeat it as many times as you need, and always repeat to yourself that you are at peace with yourself and the people around you. We're sending love to those people who don't understand us. We're sending love and not anger and hate. We need to love everyone so we can have a peaceful day, a better day, a wonderful day. A few more breaths here before opening your eyes, before moving into your day. Feeling more relaxed already, feeling this wave of peace that you were calling upon, coming, being with you, wrapping you inside out. This peace that you will carry with you today and every time you will need it. One more time, repeat to yourself, I am at peace with myself right now and with the whole world around me. Amen. Namaste, namaste, namaste.